If you are interested in becoming a certified Delta HPE Compute Solutions professional, you should consider taking the HPE0-S60 exam. This exam tests your knowledge and skills on designing, deploying and managing HPE Compute Solutions for various workloads and scenarios. The exam consists of 40 multiple-choice questions and lasts 60 minutes. You need to score at least 61% to pass the exam and earn the certification. The certification validates your ability to provide efficient and reliable HPE compute solutions for your customers and partners. 1. A logical interconnect group can span on multiple HPE synergy frames for which interconnect type A. Brocade 32 GB fiber channel switch module for HPE synergy. B. HPE Virtual Connect SE 32 GB FC module for synergy. C. HPE Virtual Connect SE 100G Flat F32 module Tor synergy. D. HPE Synergy 12 GB SAS connection module. 2. Your customer manages HPE Synergy using HPE OneView. For one of its projects, the company purchased 50 HPE Proliant DK385 General 10 Plus version 2. They plan to manage the new systems using HPE OneView as well. What should the customer do to manage rack system using HPE OneView? A. Add the rack system to the HPE OneView instance used to manage HPE Synergy to centralize management of all systems. B. Connect the rack system to an IPDU and add the IPDU to the HPE OneView instance that is used for HPE Synergy management. C. Deploy HPE OneView Global Dashboard and add the rack systems there, as AMD systems are not directly in HPE OneView. D. Deploy an HPE OneView virtual appliance, and, after configuration, use it to manage only the rack systems. 3. Which statement about a new HPE SimpliVity deployment is true? A. New HPE SimpliVity deployments gives customer flexible choice of hypervisor. B. A new HPE SimpliVity node can be a member of multiple dusters. CAM New HPE SimpliVity models are software optimized. D. All new HPE SimpliVity models are based on mid CPUs. 4. You plan to configure a link aggregation group (LAG) for two connections within a server profile for a compute node running an ESXi system. What is required from the VMware side to enable LAG? A. Virtual Distributed Switch. B. vSphere Standard License. C. Load Balancing Cluster. D. Dedicated VM kernel port. 5. In the past, a customer experienced a networking issue where network ports went down and came back up in quick succession. Which HPE Virtual Connect SE100 GDF32 module for HPE Synergy feature can be configured to disable such ports? A. Pause flood protection. B. S-flow. C. Storm control. D. Port flap protection. 6. Your customer reports MAT an external FC boot volume for Windows Server is visible 4 times in the disk management 1 online and 3 offline. What should you do to resolve this issue? A. Disable deduplication for this volume at the array level. B. Remove the offline disks using array management tools. C. Install and configure MPIO on Me Windows system. D. Remove the offline disks using Windows Disk Management. 7. Your customer plans to use HPE Primera to boot HPE Synergy compute nodes. They currently have two HPE Virtual Connect SE 100 gigabits F32 module for Synergy modules installed in the frame. The customer wants to use FC as a storage access protocol. What must be done to complete this task? A. Enable FC primary and secondary boot on the modules through the HPE OneView interface. BFC connectivity on the modules should be enabled through the Service Console by disabling FCOE. C. Add FC upgrade licenses in HPE OneView that will enable FC connectivity for the modules. D. Enter both modules into a maintenance mode. Then enable FC connectivity through CLI. 8. You modified a logical interconnect group MAT as used to configure logical interconnects in 5 different logical enclosures. What will be the impact of that change? A. All physical interconnects from affected logical interconnects will be placed in a maintenance mode. B. All physical interconnects from the affected logical interconnects must be rebooted to activate the new configuration. C. All logical interconnects configured using this logical interconnect group will report inconsistency. D. All logical interconnects configured using this logical interconnect group will be automatically updated. 9. Which statement about login redistribution is true? A. Login redistribution is available only if HPE Primera or HPE Alletra is connected directly to the HPE Synergy frame. B. Login redistribution is a licensed feature and the number of licenses required depends on the number of active ports. C. Login redistribution is supported only on the HPE Synergy Virtual Connect SE 32 gigabits FC modules. D. Login redistribution is used for login balancing when they are not distributed evenly over the FC links. 10. Which statement about an HPE OneView support dump is true? A. Appliance support dump by default contains a logical enclosure support dump. B. Support dump is a binary file that can be opened only in a dedicated application. C. Support dump can be created if HPE Virtual Connect modules are installed in the frame. D. Preview support dump is available only when creating an appliance support dump.